Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Homesteading of the Grid. Today I'm gonna show you how to make my honey garlic chicken. So easy and so delicious. So let's start. So I have 5 chicken leg here. At first I'm gonna slice at least one slice like that, so that the chicken soak all the sauce. Okay, so we're gonna do our sauce now. I'm gonna make hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon. One tablespoon of Kikkoman soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Oh, no. This is like half a teaspoon. Only use half a teaspoon of oyster sauce. Yep. And 1 tablespoon of honey. And I'm gonna get 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Don't include the juice from the minced garlic. Don't include it. Okay, let's mix it together. I use 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce, 1 teaspoon of Kikkoman soy sauce, and half a teaspoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it together. And guys, while I'm preparing this, I already preheated my microwave for 350 degrees, and we're gonna bake this for 50 minutes. 50. And by the way guys, don't forget, I use 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Don't include the juice. Oh gosh, why I'm talking microwave. I'm gonna bake this in the oven, 350 degrees, and bake it for 15 minutes. Yeah, but before we bake this, we're gonna chill this for 2 hours and bake it for 350 degrees for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So let's chill first for 2 hours. Okay guys, our chicken, it's already marinated for 2 hours, so let's bake it. I'm gonna put the whole chicken there. Okay, let's bake this for 350 degrees for 50 minutes, 50 minutes. Okay guys, I already baked it for 25 minutes. And then I'm gonna brush it with olive oil, both sides, so that your chicken doesn't dry. And then after we brush it with olive oil, we're gonna bake it again for another 25 minutes. Now, let's put it back in the oven for bake for another 25 minutes. Okay guys, it's taste test time. Smells so good.
That's my favorite part, taste test time.
Okay, I'm gonna do first.
Baked
honey garlic chicken.
Baked honey garlic chicken. Does it look good? Mmm. You ready to try it, honey?
Yeah. Mmm.
How is it?
It's good.
You gonna give me some?
It's good now?
It's delicious, huh?
Yep. Guys.
No, I'm good.
What?
It's good. I don't want another bite because I want to put the phone down and dig into it.
Guys, I hope you do this recipe because it's so good and tastes good.
Yeah, it's delicious, guys. This is one of my favorites. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video from Homesteading Off the Grid, another one of Dearly's recipes. And by the way, don't forget, we've created a playlist of all of Dearly's recipes. So if you go on our channel, go to our channel, then you'll see all these different, up at the top it'll say playlists. Click on playlists and you'll see all of Dearly's recipes. So there you can find all of her nice goodies she's made. So thanks for being with us. Please like and share and subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time from Homesteading Off the Grid.
We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.